Hello my teachers, what's up? Today we are going to talk about a very classic fragrance that has been there even before I was born. So it was launched before I was born, and we are going to talk about Davidoff Cool Water for Men. So this is the Eau de Toilette, and I don't think it comes in Eau de Parfum. I think it just comes in this concentration, and this is a classic fragrance. It has been there for such a long time. It's an old school fragrance, and yeah, we are going to talk in depth about this. But before digging in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be a part of the Peach Pack and tap on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload. I'm also super duper active on Instagram, and I share about my personal life over there, so follow me on Instagram to connect better with me. I do like the packaging on this. This bottle looks so nice, and it clearly tells you what's inside. It has the opening of bergamot, citrus with some green notes. Like, I smell some strong green notes in here. It's very strong, it's very manly yet fresh. It also has the aquatic notes in it. I think it has the marine notes if I'm not wrong. I exactly do not remember the notes, so I'll put them somewhere on the screen. You know, in the dry down, it smells like a detergent. It smells like a soap cleaning bar. I won't lie to you. Probably back in the days, this was really something really cool, something really nice, something different when it was launched. But now that I smell it, to me it smells like a mature man's fresh fragrance. It smells old school, it's manly, it's a macho guy's fragrance, it's a macho guy's fresh fragrance, but that macho guy is mature as in maybe 40 plus, maybe 40 and plus. I don't want to offend anybody. Those who are using it and love it, you can definitely continue using it, but the projection on Davidoff is quite good. It gives strong projection. It leaves a trail behind for good 1.5 hours, but it is not super long lasting. I'll be honest with you, on the skin especially, it's not super long lasting. This again is in my category of not so budget friendly fragrances, because again, this is in the price range of 4,000 rupees in our country. It definitely is fresh and soapy, but then that extreme dry down soapiness, that detergent fragrance in it in the dry down, it bothers me, because I like it better when fragrances turn smooth or soft in the dry down, and for that reason it turns into a very harsh detergent kind of a thing. Like, I exactly am unable to pinpoint something that which detergent it smells like. It definitely is not a pleasant detergent, I would say that, and that is what I do not like about this fragrance, and I cannot fabricate things here. And personally, now that I try so many fragrances, I would not like to smell this on a young guy. I'll be honest with you, like, especially if you're somebody who is in between your 20s and 30s, I would not like to smell this on you. I would like to smell this on, I do not know the name of that actor, but the actor in The Fastest Indian, like that kind of mature guy who is cool, who rides bikes, who is living for himself, and somebody like that, wearing this fragrance, I would really appreciate it. But somebody young, it won't do the thing for me, because it smells like a detergent to me. And I have not just on my skin, I have tried it on 3 different people in the house, since I have so many skins to test the fragrances on right now, since I'm at my mom's place. So it is smelling the same on everyone, and it's not long lasting on the skin, and it can last longer on the clothes, maybe even for 6-hour mark, but not on the skin. But the good thing is that it is super projective for the first 1.5-2 hours, and it leaves a trail behind. This could be an anytime fragrance for a mature guy, and it's majorly a summer fragrance. Fresh laundry, I won't even call it fresh laundry. When we think of fresh laundry, we think of something pleasant and nice and mild. This is strong, this is out there, this is loud, and the detergent note is sharp and harsh. I don't see anybody wearing this in the winter times. I will soon be coming up with the women's version of Davidoff. Till then, keep an eye on my videos. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Be My Peaches. Till then, keep looking beautiful and have a great day all. Bye bye. Mwah.